Well, how y'all are this afternoon? This is your buddy George Jones over at the Bergen Gun Range with my next installment on Let's Try New Ammunition. The new ammunition we have is this. The Federal 250 round bulk pack. Well, what's new about that, you say? Well, the ammunition that's in it is new, or let's put it this way, uncommon. It is bulk pack lead hollow point 36 grains. Now, I haven't opened this box. I have no idea what the bullet looks like. I'm going to open it here and we're going to load some magazines with it and we're going to see how it shoots. Well, down there, they see that they try to make these things easy to get into, but it turns out they're just plain hard to get into. These perforated to tear off, but they never tear off straight. Like that, see if we can get that thing out open without tearing the box up. Well, what the? Finally. Dangerous from 1.5 miles, or Dejurarex Jumzuzu a 2.5 clum. Whatever that means. 2.5 clum. What is it? Well, it is in fact a hollow point, but if you can see that, it's not very hollow. The hollow point's not very deep. It looks like regular uncoated Federal 22 with kind of a deep dimple in the end. Hell, let's load up a magazine and see how it shoots. Typically, what happens is a manufacturer will, if they change the packaging, they typically change the loading. Okay? So they come out with something else. They change it around. Maybe they improve it, maybe they don't, but typically if they have a new packaging for 22s, it's a new 22 or a new 22 loading or a new 22 bullet design or something. In this case, it's a new 22 bullet design. So we're going to try it out here out of a couple of different guns and see how it shoots. 15 yards, not too far, but long enough to show consistency. Get these magazines loaded up. We're going to put 10 in the bottom target out of the 10-22, and then we're going to put some in it from the old ZKM. As a matter of fact, we shoot the ZKM first. This is one of the most accurate 22 rifles I've ever owned. This is the old ZKM 468 Bruno. And we're going to try it out here. See how it works. Put about 10 in that top target. This takes forever. This is a fun little gun to shoot. It's the only one I've ever seen like it. You know, they brought in a lot of surplus sporting arms from Europe some years back, and these kind of hit the market. There was a few of them around. I remember the old Shotgun News that were advertised. I bought this in about 10 years ago because I wanted a lightweight squirrel rifle. It was something I could pack around the woods. And Seven. And it's pretty accurate. Nine. Thing about it is, this gun doesn't look like a whole lot, but it's better quality than anything you can buy in America, old or new, you know. 10. All right, there's 10 in the old ZKM. All right, lay that guy up over there. I get a 1022 with a scope on it, which is zeroed in pretty good, you know. Zeroed in pretty good. I cut horse weeds on the backstop with this thing for the fun of it. All right. Let's go down and look at the consistency of the ammunition's performance. These are pretty rudimentary tests, you know. I just want to see if the ammunition shoots good in a couple of different guns. And the ammunition shoots good in a couple of different guns. Yeah, this is 10 in the top target and 10 down there. And that ammo shoots pretty good in that gun.
Very.
So, you know, I forget what I paid for this box of ammo. I was over at Bud's, or maybe it was, no, I take it back, it was Cabela's. And picked this stuff up. And I seen it there, and it had a different package. And I seen on it that it said lead hollow point, which you typically see lead hollow point ammunition. I've got a bunch at the house of the bare lead hollow point subsonic ammunition that I've been hunting with for the last 10 years, and it's Remington. And but it shoots good, you know. So if you see it for sale, and I think it was $22, $23, something like that for this box. And I thought, you know, make a good video. New packaging generally indicates a new loading or some change in the overall design of it, and which leads to a change in the overall performance, you know. So, you know, I thought it was worth picking up and making a little video about it. And we've made a little video about it, and it works pretty good, and like that. So if you see it around, you know it's okay. All right then. Like, take, share, commentate, and subscribe. Leave me a $1 in the Patreon bucket if you want to, and if you don't, well, I keep right on making content for you. God bless America, and God bless each and every one of us. Thank you for getting out and voting right and giving us 4 years of prosperity. I don't know what's beyond that, but we could sure use 4 years of prosperity for a change. All right then. Love your neighbor. Be a good citizen. We'll see you when we see you. Bye now.